talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. But she need down the ride, oh I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that, don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Ho, ho, ho. Oh, we're talking about the holidays there. Yes, indeed. My name is Santa H. How are y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie? How you gonna start by insulting people, Jay? Because I ain't got no sense. Cut it out. Listen, Postal family. There has been something going on for years, and I don't think I've ever really spoke about it, but I think this is the year that we're going to talk about it, shall we? If you decided to click, that means you participate in the holidays. If you do, keep watching. If you don't, keep watching. The United States Postal Service Operation Santa Letter Adoption is now open. Now, what does that mean? Yes, it's been going on for almost 112 years, 111 years, something of that nature, where kids from all over the country write this imaginary address and it goes directly to us at the post office. And then people volunteer and try to fulfill some of these less fortunate children's wishes. This is cool. This is good because Jay loves Christmas. Doesn't mean you love it, but if you do, keep listening. It says, are you interested in sending children and families some holiday magic this season? You can now adopt a letter written to Santa by going onto the USPS OperationSanta.com website. In response to customers' requests, this is the first time the United States Postal Service has opened the program before Black Friday. USPS Operation Santa turns 111 years old. The program relies solely on random acts of kindness and the generosity of strangers. I am not afraid to say it or ashamed to say it. There had been a couple of years where I was not able to get my children Christmas gifts. It was a very hard time in life. I didn't know about this. I wish I did. Luckily, I had a couple people that came around and they helped me out. But if you have the opportunity and you can spend less than $20, $15, hell, you can go to the dollar store and try to help some people out. It says it allows people to help children and families that have magical holidays when they otherwise might not, safely and securely. USPS Operation Santa is not a guaranteed gift program. Since September 18th, the Postal Service has received letters from across the country and has been delivering them to Santa's U.S. workshop at 123 Elf Road, North Pole. Letters sent with first-class mail postage and complete, accurate, and legible return addresses have been opened, reviewed, and posted on OperationSanta.com. People can begin reading and adopting letters today. If you go on USPS.com, about USPS.com, it gives you a whole list of what you can do and how you can register to go get a letter and adopt one, or two, or three. I'm not getting a kid a PlayStation or anything, but they ask for a remote control car or something, yeah, why not? I think we can give back a little bit. Well, what about our union dues? Come on, man, this is about the holidays for the kids. If potential adopters are unable to complete their verification online, they will be provided a code and given instructions on how to complete verification in person at a local post office. So basically, they don't want no clowns, bad actors trying to dibble in, because you are responding to children. So there is a little process in order for you to adopt a letter. So It ain't gonna hurt you. Spend time watching TikTok, you can go get the kids something. Go get the kids something. It says 2 tips for reducing shipping costs. Postage to ship packages is based on size, weight, and distance. Here's some tips to lower the cost. Let's get some priority boxes. That's it. Postage to ship packages based on size, weight, and distance. Here's some tips to lower the cost. Use priority mail flat rate boxes. Free at your local post office. Take a box with you when shopping and only purchase items that can fit in the box. That makes sense. Adopt a letter from your state or a nearby state. Makes sense. Pay careful attention to the dimensions of the gift, especially size and weight. Shipping heavy, oversized packages can be expensive. Consider a gift card instead of purchasing larger, heavier items. Gift card needs to be sent in priority mail envelope. Anyway, important dates. It says the registration for letter adopters opened is on November 6th. November 20th, letter adoption opens. November 20th. December 11th, last day to send letters to Santa. December 18th, last day to adopt letters and recommend date to ship packages. So you got until December 18th, okay? Accept no imitations. There's only one USPS Operation Santa program sanctioned by the United States Postal Service. Fulfilling wishes throughout the official Postal Service program is voluntary, and any organization asking for money to adopt letters is in violation of the laws of the United States Postal Service and not condoned or affiliated with the United States Postal Service. Go on USPSOperationSanta.com. Now, again, I have a very small platform, so I'm going to share this with you guys. Don't get bamboozled because they have some weird sites out there that are trying to, just scam us for everything. And that becomes a headache and it can become discouraging. But this for the kids, dear cuz. This for the kids. Y'all, put $20 aside, $25 aside. That can change your little child's life. At least for the holidays. I ain't gonna say change their life. Jay, stop being exaggerated. Look, for a child to have something is better than nothing, and that you never know. A parent, when I'm telling you, man, I had my little people when they were young, it hurt not to have any gifts underneath the tree. I felt ashamed. I felt, I felt like less of a person because I wasn't able to do it. Hard times. So, so if you can help change somebody's life in that manner, it may not be the child's life. It may be the parent. Think about it. All right. This becomes a psychological thing and you can help. All right. This is JH with hopefully. Don't take those first words that I said serious about the ho thing. All right. I got to come out here acting silly. All right. This is JH. Y'all have yourself a good rest of your day. I'm out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.